The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology is a Philippine national institution dedicated to provide information on the activities of volcanoes, earthquakes, and tsunamis, as well as other specialized information and services primarily for the protection of life and property and in support of economic productivity and sustainable development. It is one of the service agencies of the Department of Science and Technology. PHIVOLCS monitors volcano, earthquake, and tsunami activity, and issues warnings as necessary. It is mandated to mitigate disasters that may arise from such volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, and other related geotectonic phenomena. This government organization was formed after a historical merging of official functions of government institutions. One of its first predecessors is the Philippine Weather Bureau, created in 1901 when meteorological, seismological and terrestrial magnetic services of the Manila Observatory were transferred from the Roman Catholic Church to the American colonial government. It performed earthquake monitoring in the country and has inherited and maintained the early earthquake catalogue at that time. By 1972, the Philippine Weather Bureau was reorganized under Presidential Decree No. 78 into the Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration. A UNDP-funded project for PAGASA established a 12-station earthquake monitoring network in the country, the other predecessor to PHIVOLCS. The Commission on Volcanology and COMVOL was restructured to become the Philippine Institute of Volcanology or PHIVOLC. The seismological arm of PAGASA was officially transferred to PHIVOLC on September 17, 1984, renaming the institute as the Philippines Institute of Volcanology and Seismology or PHIVOLCS. NSTA, the umbrella department for PHIVOLCS and PAGASA, became the Department of Science and Technology in 1987. The technical staff and the 12-station earthquake monitoring network was fully integrated to PHIVOLCS in 1988. PHIVOLCS was headed by Raimundo Punongbayan from 1982 to 2003. And it is currently headed by Renato U. Salidum Jr. from 2003 to the present. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology provides a classification system for the volcanoes of the country. Coordinates: 14 degrees 39:07, N 121 degrees 03, 31, A, 14.652026 degrees north, 121.05854 degrees east, 14.652026, 121.05854.